Hi everyone, I'm Tao, the owner of Chuka Media Group, and we're a creative agency that helps passionate business owners and nonprofit organizations communicate their passions to their clients. And we do that by creating websites for them, logos, branding, any type of graphic design, and much more. So today I'm going to talk to you about your website. Is your website really performing well for you? Some of the things that you can do are very, very important. And I want to create a series of videos of 10 steps that you can do to improve your website performance. And we see this every day. Some small business owners are struggling to update their content. Maybe they're frustrated. Maybe someone else is managing your websites. But it is very important to at least know or make sure that they know what to do, or you can do it by yourself. I'm going to create this series of training because I know that a lot of small business owners are struggling with this, and I really want to show you how. Now, we don't normally do this training. We do train our clients once the website is finished. We want them to know that they can update content confidently and love doing so. So we train them how to update the content on the website and how to manage it, how everything works. But this type of training, this series of videos, is not something we normally do. So I strongly suggest to tune in and sign up for the mailing list to get those videos also into your inbox and not miss a step. Now I'm going to show you what we are going to be talking about. So some of the topics are here. So we're going to talk about how to improve security on your contact forms, how to add CAPTCHA fields and why, improving the visibility of your content, highlight the important stuff, make everything very, very clear and not messy in your website, because that is how the clients see you. If they see messy, they feel messy, they don't want to buy. So it's very important to take a look at hierarchy, at the visuals, also for search engines. It's very, very important. We're going to talk about call to actions, where to place them, why, and how. We'll take a look at some of the Wix apps and features you may not have put into your website, like Wix events or bookings or restaurants, and how this is going to affect your business and how it can help you. Next, we're going to talk about some of the social linking, how you connect social media into your website and lead traffic from here to there. We'll talk about how to add a blog and why it's good for you, for a client, and for search engines. Yes. We're also going to talk about some automations there are and how they're helpful. We will talk about SEO and why it's so important to put in those good keywords and how to connect to Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and much more. And then we'll talk about some things you may have missed on your dashboard, including some videos and marketing tools. Very, very cool. And then we'll take a look at some of the implementations that our clients have created using this training. So this is all very exciting. I'm going to create a series of videos, and if you don't want to miss a step, if you want this into your inbox, please sign up now. I'll put the link in the post. Get into that link, sign up, and you'll get those into your inbox. If you have anything that you want to ask me, an issue you want to know about, you want me to address, please let me know in the comments below, and I will do my best to address this issue in the videos, and perhaps I will create a Q&A video to answer all your questions. Until further notice, thank you very much for joining me today. This is Tal from Chuka Media Group. Have a good day.